Hello, and how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, today we are going to start our new lesson in computer science. That is lesson number 5, handling a mouse. A mouse is an input device. It looks like a real mouse. It is small in size and has a tail, which is attached to the CPU. A mouse has either 2 or 3 buttons. The left button is used for left click and the right button is used for right click. A mouse helps us to move the pointer, select items and draw pictures on the computer screen. Next is mouse pad. The pad on which we move the mouse is known as the mouse pad. Mouse pointer. The slant arrow on the screen is called the mouse pointer. As we move the mouse, the pointer on the monitor also moves in the same direction. Now next is types of mouse. A mouse can be of different types. It can be 2-button mouse or scroll mouse. A scroll mouse has a scroll wheel in the middle of the left and right button. We can move a page up and down by moving the scroll wheel. A scroll mouse is of 2 types, optical mouse and ball mouse. A ball mouse has a ball under it. This ball helps to move the mouse pointer on the screen. Now what is optical mouse? An optical mouse uses light instead of a ball for the movement of the mouse pointer. Now move on to the holding and moving the mouse. Place your palm on the mouse, hold it with your thumb and last 2 fingers. Place your index finger on the left button and middle finger on the right button. Now move the mouse on the mouse pad. Watch the movement of the pointer on the screen as you move the mouse. Functions of a mouse. Clicking. When we press the left button of a mouse once and release it, it makes a click sound. This sound is called clicking. A click is generally used to select an item on the monitor. Next is double clicking. Pressing the left mouse button twice without stopping and releasing it is called double clicking. Next is right clicking. Pressing and releasing the right mouse button. Pressing and releasing the right mouse button once will show a list of commands on the monitor. Next function is dragging. To move an item or object by holding the left mouse button to a new place on the screen is called dragging. I hope you have understood the lesson. That's all for today. Thank you.